Today, we're going to show you how to fix user access permission problems in Asana step by step. First, make sure you are logged in with the correct account. Sometimes users try to access a workspace or project with the wrong account, which causes permission issues. If you still can't access a workspace or project, contact the project owner or admin and request the correct permissions. Next, navigate to Asana's settings and select Members and Permissions. Here you can clearly see who has access and what type of permissions they have. If a user's permissions are restricted, update their permission level carefully. Typically, choosing can edit or can comment resolves most access issues. Make sure to double-check the settings to avoid mistakes. Sometimes browser cache or cookies can interfere with permissions. In such cases, try refreshing your browser, clearing the cache, or using a different browser altogether. Also, confirm that your Asana app or web version is fully updated, as outdated versions can cause unexpected errors. After updating permissions, save all changes and ask the user to log out and log in again. Following these steps should fix most user access permission problems in Asana. Remember, regularly reviewing permissions helps maintain security and avoids future issues. If the problem still persists, don't hesitate to raise a ticket with Asana support. They can provide advanced help and ensure that every user has the correct access they need. Hello everyone, today